Okay, so now that our user Mike had editing permissions, so let's just create a new page. So I'm just searching this new page here because I know it will not turn up, and we are going to get this option to create the new page on this wiki. So we are going to create it from here. So this is the editor. You can see we have bold, italic, and heading, and bulleted points, number list, and images, links. We have all these options to create the page. And then we have this show preview and save page option. So I'm going to start by creating a heading. So I'm just type heading, and let's go to preview and see how it looks. You see, it's just a normal text, body text. So you have to make it a heading like this. So there is level 2, 3, 4 and 5 options are available here. So if I put level 2, you see there is 2 equal to signs on both the side. And if I show preview right now, you will see that it's a small heading, not like a big heading. So this is heading 2 actually. So how does we add a heading 1? To add a heading 1, we have to just use 1 equals to. You see, this is heading 1, this is heading 2. So similarly, you can add up to 6 equals to's to create something like this, heading 5 or 5, 6. You see, it's heading 5. You can also do this by subheading, clicking on level 5. You see, this is the same. Okay, so now we have received a table of content which we can see in almost all Wikipedia sites. So the table of content automatically appears when we have more than 4 headings, but we can show the table of content even if we don't have like 4 headings. So now we have 3 headings only, but we want to show the table of content. So we can use double underscore and then table of content TOC and then double underscore again. So if I show it now, you will see that we have table of content, and this table of content is now not on the top but after the heading 1, because we have put table of content after heading 1. So let's just copy some text and add it so it looks nicer. Okay, so this is going to be heading 1.2 and 1.3. Okay, so let's see how it looks. So we have this heading 1, we have some text, we have heading 1.2 and heading 1.3 and so on. So now I want to change this heading 1.3 with image. But before we add an image here, I would like to show you some other things like the syntax of bold, like lorem ipsum. If I want to make this bold, I can just click bold here, and what it does, it adds 3 single inverted comma before and after the text, and that's how we add bold. If we want to make it italic, it will do something similar and add 2 single inverted comma before and after the text. So there is no option to make bold and italic at the same time. So if we want to make some text bold and italic, we can do it manually by adding 5 a single inverted comma to any text. Okay, and let's see the preview. You see our text is bold here, it's italic in here, and it's italic and bold in this. Okay, now we can use some other tags like del tag to use a strike through type of text. You see, it's a strike through. We can also use comments, like I'm going to use this part as a comment. Let's see preview. You see, there is two stop here. The commented section is not showing on the actual page. Okay, we can use lists like list 1, list 2, list 3, and so on, but it will not show you as a list. It's going to show as normal text. To use this list feature, you can either use this bulleted list option, or you can add star in front of it. Just add an asterisk sign here and you will have your bulleted list. Okay, so if I don't want to make it a bulleted list, if I want to make it a number list, like number list, it's a number list. So in place of asterisk, we have to put a pound or hashtag key. You see, this is numbered list 1, 2, and 3. We can even mix those numbers and asterisks if we want. Like number 2, we have added the pound, and let's see how it looks. You see, it's a bulleted list, then a numbered list, and then another sub bullet list. So we can mix this as we want using pound and asterisk sign. Okay, so now let's go back to the image part. So we are adding an image here. So okay, so now we are going to add an image. So we'll use this add image option and we'll go to upload and then choose an image like this one maybe, and you have to choose this is my work and upload. You need to put a description here and then save. This is just an image. Okay, so I think its size will be like 400 pixel. It will be aligned center and it will be frameless. So let's insert. So you see, we have this is the code. We have this file and then the file name, then we have the size then we have the border, it is frame, frameless, this is the alignment, and this is the caption. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Yeah, it is an image, center aligned and borderless. So but now sometimes we may need it to be on the left, and we may want this text to be on the right. So to do that, we're going to use thumb here. See, now we have this image on the left and this text on the right. Now we don't need this thumb to be 400 pixel, we can have it like smaller thumb. Yeah, see, also you can put links in here. So let's talk about links. To add a link, we just need to put the link inside double brackets. You see, we got a link here. I can click and it will take me to the page named Joy. We can also use this feature here, link, to add links. So if I want to make this list 3 a link, I will just click here and the target page or URL. So target page, you see there is no page named list 3, but I know there is a page named Joy. So it will just link to that page, and this is the display text that we are going to display. So this link will only be working inside this Wikipedia. If we want to link it to an external web page, we have to click on this, and now it will go to the external link. So for external link, we have to put some external links actually, like this URL, and then we can use insert link. You see, so the link is, the code is like that. This is the link and this is the text. So if I show preview, you see the link list 3, it's an external URL, and that's how links are created.